The fiber optic identifier is made to be used by technicians in the field. It is used to find fiber optic cables. It's useful to search for cables in wells, tunnels, or pipelines. It's very easy to use and doesn't harm the fiber in any way. Clean the connector port. Then clean the patch cord ferrule. Connect the patch cord to the identifier. Connect and put on the earphones. Pick the OC-ID function. This is the one used to identify fibers. Slightly heat the cable and adjust the testing sensitivity. Clean the adapter in the panel patch cord connector. Connect the identifier to the panel by connecting the patch cords together. The technician at the other side must be contacted to start the cable search. This technician is located where the fiber cables converge, so that he can indicate when the cable is being hit. This way, the technician in the patch panel section can know when the testing will begin. If the identifier doesn't react, it means the cable that was hit isn't the right one. If the identifier reacts, it will be shown in the screen and will also produce a clicking sound. When it reacts, it means the right cable has been found.